Hi, I'm Abby. Welcome back to the barn at High Falls. Episode 15, All the Trimmings. Now, before we get started with the episode, I'd like to share that summer has officially arrived here in High Falls. After a particularly cold and snowy winter, today it's 100 degrees, which is why we have our flannels wrapped. In this episode, we're literally covering the walls, and I mean that. We're using drywall, our reverse planks, and we'll even show you how we're covering underground walls.
In previous episodes, we talked about using all of the exterior planking and turning them inside out for the inside of the barn. Well, I'm really happy to report that is now 100% complete in all of the main floor rooms. And as you can see, it goes all the way up to the top of the gables. And it looks fantastic. 100% authentic, 150 years old, and it is just exactly as we had hoped.
So we showed you the drywall and the planking, and that's done in pretty much every room, so the house is really starting to take shape. So now we're excited to show you some of the design elements that we're going to be using throughout the home. We got this really cool reclaimed corrugated metal, and this is going to be an accent piece in a couple of places throughout the house. And from right here on property, we have this great blue rock. Now, you remember from previous episodes, we talked about blue rock walls. This we're going to use to frame the fireplace.
So the tricky wall that we have to deal with is the exterior foundation. We originally planned to only install French drains, but when we excavated, we found the whole wall to be extremely porous. So now we have to cover the wall with concrete, then install the French drains. Then we have to fill the entire hole with that mound of gravel and then push all the dirt back. And then we're done.
So that's it for episode 15. Join us next time for episode 16, Making Choices. We're going to talk tile and we're going to talk fixtures. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing with your family and friends. We need the followers. See you in 2 weeks.